Peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl T, laying down another video. Yes, today I'm going to be doing some Bohemian curl crochets. Yes, these are Bohemian curls, and it is color 430, and they are 12 inches long. Yes, they are the pre-loop crochets, and they are beautiful. Yes, there are 3 sections in each pack, which is a multi-pack. This product is by Angel, and look at these beautiful crochets. So yes, I've already done a braid pattern. I've already started installing the crochets. So if you are interested in how this beautiful style was achieved, please continue to watch. I am going to be using 2 different colors. I'm going to be actually adding a 1B, which is a black, and I'm going to mix that in with this 430, and it is going to be beautiful. So keep watching so you can see how this beautiful style was accomplished. This style only took an hour and 40 minutes. So if you are looking for a beautiful style that doesn't take long to install, you want to try these Bohemian curls. They are very easy to use. They do not unravel. They do not shed. They are very easy to work with. So yes, here is that 1B, the black color that I told you that I'm going to mix in with it. This is the first section of black that I'm installing right here. So again, please continue to watch so you can see how this beautiful style was created. Welcome to West Coast Finest. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our new videos. Yes, click the link below to visit our website and get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients. And yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another video. Okay, fam, as you can see, these Bohemian curls are coming out gorgeous. Yes, I mean gorgeous. One thing I love about these pre-loop Bohemian curls, is they do not lose its curl pattern when you are installing it. Some of the crochet curls, when you purchase them in the pack, they are very pretty, but once you get to installing them, they lose its curl pattern. Sometimes they get really frizzy, sometimes they shed, but these pre-loop Bohemians, they hold its curl beautifully. Look at these curls. They look exactly installed as they do in the pack. So this is what you want. So if you haven't tried these Bohemian curls, try them. If you love your curls to look the same exact way that it looks in the pack when you purchase them, then these are the curls for you. If you're looking for a nice full style, if your hair is thin, this is a perfect style for you as well. So continue to watch, and I am almost finished with this style. Like I said, it only took about an hour and 40 minutes. So if you're looking for a style that, again, that is really easy and quick to install, try these Bohemian curls. Here I'm just applying some mousse to help the curls lay down and give it a little shine. And I am almost done. Yes. Thank you so much for watching.